Hey everybody, so this is page 8 in our booklet that we've been using lately, and today I'd like you to practice graphing and substitution. So you're going to solve the system on the left side with the graph, and then on the right side you're going to solve the system algebraically with substitution. So keep in mind you can always look back at your notes if you need any help, but first of all, starting off to graph, you have to make sure that your y is by itself, so that way I can pull out the slope and the y-intercept and actually graph them. Remember, the solution of the system is where the 2 points intersect, or I'm sorry, where the 2 lines intersect. That ordered pair is your actual solution. Don't forget, you have to give me the x and y value, so don't just give me the x or just the y. So just to get you started, I'm not going to do the whole problem with you on number 1, but just to get you started, remember for the first equation, my slope is just 1 over 1. My y-intercept is 6. So I'd start off at 6 on my y-axis, and then I'd go up 1 to the right one, up 1 to the right one. The second line, my slope is negative 2 over 1, and then my y-intercept is negative 3. So I start off at negative 3 on my y-axis, and I go down 2 to the right one. And again, wherever those 2 lines intersect, that is the point. That's the solution to the system. Now, with substitution over here on the right side, we didn't really do one exactly like this in class, so I wanted to at least set it up for you. So for this one, remember, I want to get at least one of the equations so that it has y by itself or x by itself. And then I can take that and substitute it into the other expression, or sorry, into the other equation. So the first one already, well, both of them really already have y by itself. So because y equals x plus 6, I'm going to take x plus 6 and substitute that into the other equation. You can also think of it as because they're both equal to y, I can set them equal to each other to figure out that common y. So x plus 6 equals negative 2x minus 3 is what I really want. And then from there, it's just a matter of solving the multi-step equation, getting your x, and don't forget to go back and find your y. Now, once I solve graphically and I solve algebraically with substitution, both of my answers will be exactly the same, and you also will not get any fractional values for x or y. So this is page 8 again. So I would like you to go ahead and finish out numbers 1 through 8. You do have the rest of the period to work on that. And then whatever you don't finish is for homework. So again, that's 1 through 8, and this is pages 8 and 9. Thank you.